Hello everyone.
Welcome to today's video, which is Smartboard tutorial.
If you are struggling to use Electron Smartboard, this video is exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with the most important app on our board. It is 4K HD Whiteboard. It's commonly used for teachers to explain the subjects to their students. So the first button is commonly responsible for changing the background and the theme. So I'm gonna use the white background. So the second button is to add multiple pages and controlling them. This is very comfortable feature because you can make infinite space for the subject you want to explain. So let's move on to the pen. Pen itself is very easy to control. You can manipulate this pen however you like to by controlling its size and changing the color. So let's write some stuff here. Let's go to today's date is 1st of January 2024 and today is Monday. After you've written something, if you want to add changes or erase something, you can just tap on the button of eraser. Here you have three options that you are mainly used. And the third one is slightly clear, is to clear all the stuff on your board by just sliding it. I'm not going to use it because I should present the first two first. So the right eraser is to erase the smaller space. However, the second line eraser is more comfortable to use and which I personally like most is to choose particular space and wipe it away. So the next button. So the next button's feature is very common to the line eraser because here you will also choose the space and control the drawing however you'd like to. You can enlarge it or rotate it or delete. So the next button is responsible for moving the files from your storage into your whiteboard. For example, you can move it with two of your fingers and represent it to your class. So the next two buttons are responsible for moving forwards and back. What do I mean by that? You can move back by just pressing it and move forward by pressing the second one. So it's logically very easy. So basically that's it for the HD whiteboard. So let's move on to the next step. The next app on our whiteboard is File Manager. So I've mentioned it before while I'm explaining the HD 4K whiteboard. So what I've explained it is that you can move the files and the images from the File Manager to your HD whiteboard. So basically all the files are separated on groups here and it's very convenient on usage. So at the top there are 5 main sections: documents, images, media and the app. So that's it for the our file manager. Let's move on to the next app.
To access other programs, you find this little circle and press. There are several programs. And you, for accessing the Windows, use just the Windows button. So it opens the common Windows on Windows 10 on available on the every computer. To manipulate with the programs, you just press 1 and keep it while you manipulate with it. Then to open some type of program, for example my computer, you just press this, double tap it. Then it opens this the files. To, for example, type on the keyboard, you need to press the button on the right bottom corner, this, and the first button. So this button turns on the specific mode to access the keyboard. There is here the icon, just so you just press it, and you just press to search, for example, the Google. You go. So there is Google, and how to use.
Another essential feature you might all need is screen share. So if you want to connect your laptop to mirror it to the smartboard, there are basically two ways to do it. So first way is if you have your laptop right here, or if you have a PC of your teacher located just near it, you can use HDMI cable. So basically behind the desk there is a place to plug the HDMI cable, and but if you want to do it wirelessly, for example, when all the students want to connect it one by one, just sitting on their places, the best way is to do it wirelessly. So first of all, you should make sure that the boss laptop and the board is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So here you can see that it's connected to this network, and you should see that hotspot is turned on. And then you enter the screen share, and then you can see this, the name and then the password. So the next step is on your laptop. And now this is what you should do from your laptop to mirror your screen. Firstly, you enter your browser, and then search for USB display. Here you can see the link. If you are using Windows, you just press download and you enter the file and then just set it up. And now there are several ways of doing it from now. We can type the password, the PIN code, but the easiest way is just to connect to the hotspot of the smartboard. So it's Android apps 3355. It's now connected. The password is also shown in the smartboard. If you want to share your screen, for example, when you are doing a presentation, you can share your screen on the smartboard. And so this is how you share it, and this is how it looks like.
So this was the end of the video. We hope this video will be useful for you.
If you have any ideas about our next video, please comment down below. Bye!
Bye.